Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Digital 360 YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into a fundamental concept in information security, the CIA Triad, or simply known as confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If you've ever wondered how people and organizations protect their data, this is the place to start. Let's jump right in. Remember, stay informed and never miss out on our latest content. Subscribe now and don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive instant notifications. And don't forget to watch this video till the end. Understanding the CIA Triad. The CIA Triad is a cornerstone of information security, consisting of three crucial principles: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. First, we have confidentiality. This principle ensures that sensitive information is kept private and only accessible to authorized users. Think of it as safeguarding secrets. Now let's discuss how to achieve confidentiality. Achieving confidentiality involves measures like encryption, access controls, and user authentication. These techniques help protect data from unauthorized access or disclosure. Next up, integrity. This principle focuses on maintaining the accuracy and trustworthiness of data. It's about ensuring that information remains intact and unaltered. Now let's discuss ensuring integrity. To ensure integrity, organizations use methods like data checksums, digital signatures, and version control. These techniques detect and prevent unauthorized changes or corruption. Our third pillar is availability. This principle emphasizes that data and systems should be accessible when needed. It's about ensuring that services are available even in the face of disruptions. Now let's discuss ensuring availability. Achieving availability involves strategies like redundancy, backup systems, and disaster recovery plans. These measures minimize downtime and ensure continuous access to critical resources. Now, here's the key: balancing these three principles is critical. An extreme focus on one can sometimes compromise the others. Striking the right balance is the art of information security. Let's look at one of the real-world examples. Consider your email account. It should be confidential, only you can access it. Maintain integrity, your emails aren't altered, and be available, you can access it anytime. CIA Triad in action. In organizations, the CIA Triad guides security policies and practices. It helps protect sensitive data, maintain trust, and ensure that systems and services are always ready for use. So, what is the conclusion? In conclusion, the CIA Triad forms the foundation of information security. It's a holistic approach that safeguards data by focusing on confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Thank you for joining me in exploring the CIA Triad today. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, subscribe for more educational content, and don't forget to ring that bell icon to stay updated. If you have questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Until next time, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.